Go away, kitty.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, whatever.
Would you please try my lemonade, sir? Pretty please?
Get out of my way, kid.
What's wrong with you?
You again. I don't have food. God damn it. Just for tonight. Tomorrow you better be gone. You stop being cute. I have to go to work. Okay, fine. You can come along.
And just like that, everything changed.
Such a cute kitty.
Maybe this little guy right here was a blessing in my life. After all, maybe sometimes all you need is a little bit of love.
What would I do without you?